Well, with the XC60 connectors connected, we are now ready to test. Um, for this test, I actually have not hooked up any of the supplies circuitries. It's just going to be supplied directly from the power toolbox over here, which is a 20 volt system. It's a 6S basically. So relay is engaged, and we just have to turn this thing on. See how to do this without getting in the shot here. Okay, I'm trying to get the reading over here. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 21. The maximum is 20.4, which is basically what that the battery supplies up there. So yeah, these seems to work just fine. And I'd call these buck boost converter, but they're not. They are just buck converters. So we won't be able to get any more than what we put in. But I do intend to power these with a 20 volt source, so that should be sufficient. So the lowest I can get is 1.25 volts. And that's off. I'm guessing the capacitor will discharge for a little while. But yeah, and mainly the reason for these switches is so that I can have both normal on and then off, and then also isolated input. So isolated input is going to be restricted to 12 volts then, because I'm using these B1212 DC-DC isolators. There you go, getting in focus. And yeah, that'll be the one for each of these circuits. And the last thing to mount on the front panel will be these indicators, and maybe a couple LEDs, so that we know when we're on isolated mode. Actually, there's a red LED over here for output. And that is going to be okay. And also we are going to power these display as well, so that we'll know when there's output. So yeah, that's going to be the power supplies, the multiple output power supplies. And the next part is going to build the circuitry for the DC-DC isolators, and also the 12 volt supplies for that, not only for these guys but also for the fan. I don't know how much heat these guys would dissipate, but probably be nice to have a fan, just a silent fan running. And then finish the enclosure, just more acrylic cutting, and then we'll be done. So hope you find this interesting, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a nice day. Bye bye.